Hello everyone, this is Tracy at the Sables-Spanish Rivers Public Library. Today I want to talk to you about a new lending program our libraries just launched this past January the 18th called Hoopla. I will also be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Hoopla onto your Apple iPhone. What is Hoopla? Hoopla is similar to Overdrive without the wait list and with more items and options to choose from. Hoopla is a web and mobile library media streaming platform using Wi-Fi and data. You are able to stream audiobooks, comic books, ebooks, movies, music, and TV. It allows you to download and stream these via an app on all your devices. It's easy to download and it's easy to use. And the download process is similar across all your devices, such as your iPads, your iPhones, any of your Android devices, such as tablets, as well as on your computers. Now, if you are going to do it on your computer, you're going to have to go to www.hoopladigital.com, click on Get Started Today to create an account or sign in from there. Now, as a patron of our library, you will have access to Hoopla's huge collection of digital media for free using your library card. Now, if you don't have a library card or if you don't remember your library card number, please just give us a call at the library and we can help you out with that. This will allow you to borrow up to 5 items per month, out of any of the media options. You will have from the first of the month to the last day of the month to borrow your items. All you have to do is find your items that you want, tap or click on them and tap on borrow, and Hoopla takes care of the rest, which means no more worrying about when to return them. There are other great things about the program. It keeps track of what you've previously borrowed. It also keeps track of how many days you have left of your borrows and lets you start a favorites list for future borrows. So what that means is if you've already used all your 5 right away and you're wanting to go through it and put it on a favorites list for future use, future months, that will allow you. Another cool thing is there's a kids mode, which you can turn on and off. So if you have children 12 and under, that's perfect for them. It'll just show content for that age group. Now, there are limits for the media you are choosing and ones that you borrow. So for the movies and the TV shows, it's 3 days. So for audiobooks and comic books and ebooks is 21 days. And for music is 7 days. So now you're ready. Let's get started. Let's download this. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to open your app store. And you're going to have to tap and open your search bar. So it's the magnifying glass, usually in the bottom right-hand corner. And in that bar, you're going to tap in there and type in Hoopla or Hoopla Digital, because that's the one you want. And as you can see, it's typically near the top. It'll say Hoopla Digital. Now, if you've already downloaded it in the past, it'll say Open. Since we haven't created an account yet, you're going to tap on Get. And as you can see, you have to give it permission to install. And you can see it's spinning, so it's doing its thing. Now, typically, this takes not very long. As you can see, it's already done. Depends on your Wi-Fi or your data connection. And now you're going to tap on Open at this point. It's asking, do you want to connect to the local network? Yes, I do. Do I want to use my Bluetooth? I always click OK. You don't have to. And here, this is where you would sign in. We haven't created an account yet, so we're going to have to click on Don't Have an Account, Sign Up. Now, you're going to have to put your email address in. So I do want to mention, if you don't have an email address yet and you need help getting one, just give us a call and we can help you set that up real quick. So this just takes a moment to type it all in. Depends on how long your email address is. So you can retype it in where it says email confirmation. You just tap in there, or you can copy and paste the email address that you've already created or typed in. So right where it's flashing, you're going to put your thumb and hold there and let go. And then you're going to tap on select all. And then I want to copy all that. And I'm going to tap in email confirmation. And then I'm going to tap again and I'm going to tap paste, just like that. Next, you're going to have to create a password. As you can see, it says 8 to 40 characters. So some passwords do require you to have upper and lower case and some numbers in there, or even special characters like an exclamation mark or something. This one isn't requiring that. It just has to be at least 8 characters. So whatever you want, numbers and letters together, it's up to you. What I do suggest, though, when you are creating that, write it down right away and take a picture of it so that you don't lose that. It's going to be permanently on your phone unless you delete it. And if you do forget, or if you don't take a picture, you don't have to. That's just what I do. You can always, there's an option to tap on here that says forget password, and then you just recreate it then. So I'm going to click next because I'm done. If it doesn't match up, it'll tell me. An error code will come up and say does not match, and you just have to re-enter it. And as you can see now, it's spinning, it's doing something. It says choose your nearby library. Now, sometimes it'll come up right away. It'll say Sables-Spanish Rivers Public Library. That's the one you want to choose. If it doesn't, you're going to have to tap in search, and then you're going to have to type it in, which is Sables-Spanish Rivers Public Library. It's there at the top, so you want to tap on that, and then you're going to click agree. Now you need to consent to these two items, and if you don't, you can't move forward. So you have to tap that little white dot to open them on both of them, and then click next or tap next. Then you're going to put in your library card number. So let's do that now. And as I was saying, if you don't have your library card number, just give us a call and we will let you know what it is, or we'll help you do a new membership to get your card. Now I'm done. That's it. You're all set up. See, it says congratulations. It explains. Just read over some of the notes that it puts up for you. And then you're going to tap continue. It also might ask you to allow permission for your location. I always just choose allow while using the app. That's the best option. And that's it. You're on Hoopla now. So your account is created. So if you can see in the top left-hand corner where it says kids mode, well, it doesn't say kids mode, just says kids. That means it's off. You just tap there to turn it on. And now let me just show you. I'm going to browse videos. So it's all going to be for kids 12 and under, as you can see. Now to go back to turn that off, at the very bottom in the left-hand corner it says My Hoopla. Tap that. Now I want to go and choose stuff for myself. So I'm going to turn that off. You just tap on the kids, and that's it. And now I'm going to tap on Browse Videos, and now it's showing me adult stuff, as you can see. These are the videos, and as you can see here in the middle, it says Popular, Recommended, Featured. If there's one that you're searching for specifically, in the bottom right-hand corner it says Search. You're going to tap there. If you want to change the selection, there's music and books, as you can see along the bottom. Let's just try one just for some practice. So I'm in the video section and I want to get the movie Honest Thief. Let's tap that. Now you can see it gives you an explanation of what the movie is about, who is in it, what the genre is and such, which is great. Now, this is where you're going to borrow it. As you can see, it says borrowed. That's where you would tap. But as you can see, there's a heart where it says favorite. If you don't want to get it now and use one of your 5, you can use it as a later date, or at a later date, I should say, and then just tap on favorite. So you're going to tap on borrow, and that's it. As you can see now, it says play. So when you're ready to watch it, you just press play. Now you have to remember what I was saying with movies, you only have those up to 3 days, or TV shows as well. So let's go back. And now I want to see My Hoopla again. So in the bottom left-hand corner again, My Hoopla, that's what I've borrowed. As you can see, it says, it tells you returns in 2 days. I can borrow 4 more titles. So now let's go books. Now I want to get an audiobook. Let's just say I want Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I tap on that, but I don't want to get it right now. I want to save it for later. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to go back by that little arrow. Now, you can go, just browse through it, see what they have, search it. Now, let's go like this. Let me just, you have audiobooks, there's comic books. You just kind of scroll through here. It's pretty neat. See how it says at the top, television, movies, music, books, comic books. There they are right there. Let's just say I want to read Vision. I'm going to borrow that. Same idea as what we just did. You just tap on borrow. It's the same thing all across. Now it's downloading because it's a little bit larger. It takes a little bit longer, as you can see. It's a little bit slower, slower process. Now, if it's not big enough, then some of the text isn't large. It allows you to enlarge it as well. You can make your screen brighter and all that kind of stuff. It's very user-friendly. So now that's all. Now you're all hooked up and signed up to Hoopla, and now you can enjoy the Hoopla library experience. So congratulations, you did it. Good job. Now let's go back to video. There we go. Hello. I just want to say thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions and need help with anything, please just give us a call anytime. Take care. Thank you. Bye.